and N VLAN ID is also 500. The service type also data. For this part, I'm going to tell you these service types was reserved function. So it's got no functions. It's got no functions right now. So we can choose any that we like. This is the reserved function for the future, for some part of. So yesterday I told you a little bit more. It's about the add VLAN to port. And every time I create on device means, okay, every time I modify in the UNM7, that is, I made some configurations inside the UNM7. But these configurations is only in the UNM7, it's not in the device. So I have to apply these configurations to the device. So every time I will use this button called create on device, because sometimes there's also some troubles happens when the maintenance or the NMS operating guy is new. He's not so familiar with the NMS software, and okay, he follows a standard procedure to configure all the configurations, but at some of the steps, he forgot to click this button. So in the device, miss some configurations. So the service is not okay sometimes. Okay, so the second one is this one. So I will add something. The VLAN, service VLAN is 500, and the VLAN type is common VLAN. We cannot modify because these VLAN types is only defined automatically by the device, not by us. Yesterday, I show you how to type the commands in the command line to configure the management VLAN and management IP. It will show you. And also, this is the default internal private VLAN reserved for the fiber home for this PON equipment. So we do not pay attention to this part. Ignore that. So only we care about this is VLAN 500. This is the service. You can see also there's some blue rectangle here. This is called focus. If I click this, you can see this blue rectangle changed. Because, okay, there's only one button to add some rows called this one, called add. If the focus is here, you can see add here, and I delete this row. If the focus is here, the new row is here. So last time, yesterday, I doing this. Okay, I'm already know. I insert the electrical module into the SFP2, the second SFP port, the second GE port, but the third port of the slot 19. And use untag because the uplink port linked to my computer. So untag means access port. Okay, I create on device. But this time, yesterday I choose all. You can see in table 1, this is table 1, row 2, the 4089 cannot be applied. So this is the default reserved VLAN. We don't care. So this time, just click the third row. This is we want. and create on device again, but this time I will choose the current row or the selected row. All is okay. You can see the command successfully. Okay, very good. So check the VLAN 500. You can see, okay, uplink port is very good, is very good. So yesterday I told you, then finish for the ORT. And also, if you treat